Have you had enough yet? Have you had enough of struggling to get by and feeling like you're being crushed by a system that was designed to keep you enslaved, disempowered, and at its mercy? Have you had enough of the rich getting richer while 99% of people are left with the crumbs that fall from their table? Have you had enough of putting up with mediocrity in your life, and are you ready to take control of your financial future? What if you could build wealth through a business that feeds your soul and makes a positive difference in the world, doing something that you're passionate about, that brings you joy, that lights you up? Then now is a good time to start, don't you think? So I'm going to give you a few tips on how to really take your power back financially and start to build wealth, doing what you love and loving what you do. The first thing that you need to do is to flip the script on the financial system. And in order to do that, you need to understand how the wealthy play to win, because they're working with the same system, but they're working with different rules. They play the game differently. They actually know how to use certain rules and then break others to be able to win financially in this very serious game that will either make you or break you. So if you don't want to be broken by the system, then it is imperative that you learn from those who have gone before you. Now, there are plenty of financial podcasts and publications that you can use, even books and courses that you can use to learn the money game and how to play it to win. I recommend you look up Mark Moss. He has a YouTube channel. And then look at Robert Kiyosaki, one of the best players in this game, who is one of the best educators about finance for regular people like you and me. So go and look him up. He has 2 books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And then another one I recommend is Fake. And then he has a podcast and all kinds of different ways that you can learn from him. And even Tony Robbins has put out this really big, fat, thick book called Money. So you can go and check that out as well. Very, very good publications. And just look around for people who have done really, really well, who you can learn from about how to play the money game to win, because it wasn't designed for you to win. The education system also set you up to be at the mercy of the system, to be a good little worker. So decide right now that you are going to flip the script, that you are going to learn the money game. Now, the rich know how to make money. They know how to keep money. They know how to grow money. So it's really important that you know how to do those 3 things and play the money game to win. You can learn anything. You can achieve anything because you are infinitely powerful and you have the ability to achieve anything you put your mind to. So the 3 things that you need to do from this point forward: learn the money game and how to play it to win. Think about a plan. Develop a plan that is going to really help you to build this wealth. Learn how to invest that money, okay? The wealthy know how to make money, keep money, and grow money. So learn how to invest that money so it multiplies and amplifies. And with the plan that you make for creating wealth, you need to take action on that plan. Execute like a ninja on that plan. And never, ever, ever quit. You've got this. If the richest and wealthiest people in the world can do it, so can you. They ain't nothing special. They're just playing by different rules. So I do hope you have found this helpful. If you don't know who I am, then I am the Woo Woo Warrior, and I've helped thousands of wealth, freedom seekers, and conscious entrepreneurs just like you to clear their fears, doubts, blocks, and limiting beliefs. And I can help you as well. If you want to know more, then check out my free workshop. It is the Wealth by Design workshop, and I actually walk you through a strategic action plan that is uniquely yours to be able to create wealth this year. If that's something that interests you, register now. It's entirely free. And if you have enjoyed this and you're going to love this EFT tapping video, it's going to help you to create a wealth, prosperity, and abundance mindset by clearing out some of those blocks, fears, and doubts that are holding you back and keeping you stuck. You can check that out next.